first thing I see in the morning, and the last thing I think about at night. Ain't the sunshine or rain when it's pouring. Seems you're always on my mind. Swept me off of my feet, made my heart skip a beat. You make the world turn around. You lift me up to a place I've never been. I don't know when it happened. You lift me up time and time again. You bring me to heaven. You lift me up.
Birthday, Mami. I love you. Alam mo yan. Lagi kang dapat healthy para hindi kami nag-worry. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Thank you for everything.
Happy birthday, Mommy! I love you. Wish you good health and more years to come.
Hi, Tita Sally. Happy birthday. Siyempre, ako yung favorite mong pamangkin dahil ako yung kabukas sabi ng mga apo mo. Happy birthday. Love you.
Mami, happy birthday. 80 ka na, pero parang 81. Happy birthday, Mami. I love you.
Happiest birthday, Mommy. Wishing you all the best at saka more birthdays to come. Happy birthday, Mommy.
Happy birthday, Mami Sally. We love you. More birthdays. Always good health. Abot tayo ng centenary ha. God bless.
Think I felt it the first time I saw you. The way your hair fell down over your dress, with your eyes full of stars and a pale moon. I love you to death. I'll reach for the light, I'll cross the divide. Just take me now. You lift me up to a place I've never been. I don't know when it happened. You lift me up time and time again. You bring me to heaven. You lift me up.
Hello, kaibigan. Magandang araw sa iyo. At least, narito kami at masaya kami rito na naghihintay sa iyong kaarawan. Maligayang kaarawan sa iyo. At sana ay maraming kaarawan pa ang dumating. Mabuhay!
Happy birthday, Ate Sally.
Wishing you the best because you're the best. Hello, Nanay Sally. Happy 80th birthday from my family. More blessings and more birthdays to come. Good health always. Thank you. Love you. Hello, friendship. As usual, your dear friend is here. Happy birthday to you. Sana marami pang birthday kaming maatinan para busog. Happy birthday again. We love you.
Hi, friendship! Superwoman ka talaga. Ikaw na ang bida. Biro mo, 80 years old. Kailan pa kami makakaabot ng ganyan? Lalo na ako. Happy birthday!
Hi, Ate Sal. May 10K ka na. Happy birthday. Cheering for more 10Ks in the happy birthday.
You lift me up to a place I've never been. I don't know when it happened. You lift me up time and time again. You bring me to heaven. You lift me up.
Happy 8 decades birthday. Reaching this remarkable milestone is a true testament to a life beautifully lived and a heart deeply loved. Here's to celebrating your amazing legacy and looking forward to many more beautiful moments ahead. A blessed, happy, meaningful birthday.